Complaint letter regarding poor quality water supply. 2. The Chairman. XYZ Municipality. Delhi 110044. Sub. Inadequate and poor quality water supply in our locality. Respected Sir, I beg to state that we are receiving inadequate and poor quality water supply every day. The quality of the water supply is degrading every day. We are receiving less water, which is insufficient for drinking, cooking and bathing. The quality of the water has also degraded. This water is no longer considered as safe drinking water. Diseases like diarrhea, dysentery and cholera may break out at any time. So, I request you to look into this matter seriously and make an early arrangement of good quality of water supply as soon as possible. Thanks. Date, degraded.mm.yy. Yours faithfully, XYZ.